Welcome to Learn Easy and Smart. Dictation start. Waters of the rivers and other natural sources is getting polluted due to industrial chemicals, pesticides, oil slicks and household wastes, full stop. Around 75% of surface water in India is polluted, full stop. Rajasthan and Maharashtra have high fluoride content in water, while arsenic has been found in water of West Bengal and Bihar, full stop. There are 14 river basins found to be most affected by dumping of sewage, full stop. For example, leather factories in Kanpur pump around 5.8 liter of waste water into Ganga every day, full stop. Yamuna is also known as inverted comma open drain inverted comma full stop. Paragraph change. The Central Pollution Control Board, along with the state boards, monitor water quality at 507 stations, full stop. Some of the legislations passed by government include water prevention and control of pollution act, 1974, water cess act, 1977, environment protection act, 1986, and national water policy, 2002, full stop. Ganga Manthan dialogue was initiated recently, to discuss measures to check pollution of Ganga water, full stop. Placing portable toilets and small scale water treatment plants along the river can go a long way in halting pollution. Full stop. Paragraph change. Other than these, comma, efforts of NGOs and citizens have also counted in the cleaning of lakes such as Puttenahalli Lake, comma, Dal Lake, comma, Agara Lake, comma, Rankala Lake, etc. Full stop. Paragraph change. Maintenance of water quality and water conservation are the needs of the hour. Full stop. Villages can collaborate to form watersheds, comma, so that wells and other water reservoirs can be recharged with water. Full stop. Ralenga Siddhi is a village in Maharashtra which successfully implemented this approach. Full stop. Rainwater harvesting has been made mandatory in Tamil Nadu. Full stop. Paragraph change. India's water resources are in ample amount, comma, but what is available freely, comma, should not be wasted. Full stop. Let us be more responsible and emulate successful models like that of Ralega Siddhi in every part of India. Full stop. Stop.